Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Amir, and in this video I want to talk to you about some home remedies that will help you grow your hair. This can be very helpful for you if you are just someone who is looking for some natural solutions out there that will help you combat hair loss, or if you're just early in the stages where you don't need the complicated and risky stuff like Rogaine and finasteride. So these are some things that you can probably find in your kitchen. If not, these are pretty inexpensive to get at your local Walmart or a nearby grocery store. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Number one is simply massaging your scalp. This can maybe be combined with some hair growth oils like castor oil, almond oil, avocado oils, and you can do this exercise about 2 to 3 times per week and just leave the oil in your hair for about an hour or two and wash it out. Massaging your scalp can get the blood flowing up there, which in itself is probably the main reason why you're probably losing hair. If you don't have as much blood circulation, you'll notice your actual scalp is physically like much more tighter. So by massaging your scalp, you're actually giving yourself, it's kind of like exercise for your hair. Number two is taking fish oil. Fish oil has tons of health benefits. The main reason why it's so beneficial for your hair is because it has omega-3 fatty acid, along with many other antioxidants that help improve the density and the thickness of your hair. And there are actually a lot of people who just take it for its health benefits. It will help reduce a lot of diseases, it's good for your heart, and it's good for your hair. And overall, this is just a good practice to have in your daily routine and daily vitamins that you want to take. Fish oil can be taken in the form of the pure oil itself, which is kind of nasty, but the way I prefer is just taking fish oil in capsules. I'll link some fish oil capsules in the description below, so feel free to check those out. Number three, this is for people looking for some serious natural hair growth, and that is onion juice. Studies show that onion juice contains keratin, which helps improve the growth factor of your hair, as well as bring blood flow and circulation on your scalp, which results in improving the density and thickness of your hair. There's a dude out there playing some rock music. Anyways, all you do is you take that juice, apply it to your balding spots, balding areas, whether it's in the back or your hairline. You apply the onion juice over there, leave that in for only about 15 to 20 minutes, nothing more than that, and simply wash it off in the shower. Number four is caffeine. Research shows that caffeine can help promote the elongation process of the hair shaft and stimulate hair growth by prolonging the anagen phase. So this can reduce balding and thinning on your hair. So this is a very fun and easy one because there's plenty of ways to go about it. One is you can simply just drink more coffee. Just by drinking coffee, you'll reap the benefits of caffeine on your hair. But a second way I would actually recommend so that you can directly help impact your hair is use shampoo that has caffeine in it already. That way you're directly applying it right on your hair and you're reaping the benefits instantly. I'll try to find some paraben and sulfate free shampoo that contains caffeine in it that also promotes hair growth, and I'll try to find the best one. Link it in the description below so you can check it out. And lastly is aloe vera. Aloe vera helps soothe and calm your scalp down, which in itself creates a healthy environment for your hair cells to replenish and flourish. Aloe vera actually also helps clean up some sebum, which is an oil known to clog up your hair follicles. And as you know, when your hair follicles are clogged up, it not only damages the quality and the density of your hair, but it also prevents new hair from growing in. And again, to apply aloe vera is actually very simple. What you can do is get an aloe vera gel and simply use that to massage it in your scalp. Leave it in your hair for about 15 to 20 minutes and wash it out. Or what you could do is get an aloe vera based shampoo. That in itself, again, keep that in your hair for a few minutes and rinse it out. Either way, both ways work. I would personally recommend just using the gel, so that way it's a little bit more direct, a little bit more effective, and you can keep it on your hair for a little longer. In my opinion, I think that would actually be more effective than just using the shampoo. So yeah, these were 5 home-based remedies which will help you prevent hair loss, help improve the density and the thickness of your hair, as well as give you some new hair on your hairline or on your scalp. So yeah, it's been a minute since I've been on this channel, and I actually want to create more consistent content over here. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions for any future videos or any questions you have, maybe about hair loss, hair growth, Rogaine, any of that kind of stuff. Let me know, drop it in the comment section below, and I'll create a video on it next time for sure. So other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit that bell. See you guys in the next one. Peace.